One of the reasons we picked Vena and one of the reasons that we've been able to expand our usage is we don't have a robust IT department. So I needed something that we could self-administer within reason. Today, the only thing the IT team did was they built the ETL to load the transaction level. The IT touch was very light, and the integration is pretty seamless. My controller goes in and changes the date, so we pick up the next month, pushes the button, the data loads, and that's kind of it. Not a lot of IT reliance, very quick. So the first is having that IT technical resource. And then the second is really just almost like flexible labor, right? So if we want to make some changes, we're fairly self-sufficient in Vena, but there's always tentacles, right? We added a location field, which adding a field's easy, but then rerunning data and then updating templates and all those things, it's not a small amount of work. So that's one place we've used the EMS team is to just kind of be our legs to make sure we didn't miss anything, both expertise wise and just ours. Before our controller left and I stepped into the wider role, I started more of a financial reporting role. We were on a 20-day close, which meant consolidated financials weren't delivered until 25, something like that. We got a new CFO a year and a half ago, and he really pushed us to accelerate close, which a lot of that work is on the ERP side, right? But you take 3 days at a close, then some of that has to come out of the consolidation side as well. So it's helped us automate a number of tasks and really drive incremental visibility. Before the new CFO started, we rarely, if ever, provided the consolidated balance sheet to anybody. It was hard and it was a lot of work. So, and by the time they got it, it wasn't necessarily actionable. We used to deliver about the 25th, and now it's about the 12th. I'm a big fan of being able to self-serve our data and our systems, which Vena very much enables. Different people have suggested different tools like a Hyperion, what have you, and those are all very complex, right? They promise the world, but there's a ton to go with it. We don't do the same thing every month where you build this big team of a back office to make that perfect. We're very much on we'll take good as long as we can get it quickly. And Vena has very much enabled that agility.